Do not sell your JASMY tokens. JASMY is preparing for a massive breakout, and in this video we are gonna be discussing exactly that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are gonna be analyzing JASMY once again. I'm gonna be showing you some charts which I think are showing us something really interesting. And by the way guys, we saw some upwards movement for JASMY today, so good luck for all of you short-term traders out there, because you guys should be enjoying some pretty decent profits. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video. My trade signal group has helped me make some good amount of money in the past couple of months. I will do all the analysis in this group and give you all of my trade setups so that you can make the most amount of money. As you can see, in the past couple of months we have made profits of about 142%, 350%, and even crazier than that. So make sure guys join my Patreon. The link to it will be down in the description. It's only $30 per month, and I truly believe that the value you will be getting in this group will be much higher than this. So guys, right over here I have the altcoin season index, and as you can see, right now we are in a Bitcoin season. So right now on this scale of 1 to 100, you can see that at this moment we are on the Bitcoin season side. As you can see, it says 18 over here. So everything above 18, or say everything above 25, means that we are in a bit of an altcoin season, and everything under this means we are truly in a Bitcoin season. Now, even though Bitcoin has been consolidating for quite some time right now, I believe that the trend is still not over, and the market rally for altcoins is just on its way. You can always see that whenever we dip down below, let's say about 25 on this Bitcoin season index chart, you can see we always see a quick reversal towards the upside, and we see, basically the crypto markets going into an altcoin season. And this is the exact moment where altcoins like JASMY, Gala Games, Quant, HBAR are going to be making you some serious amount of gains. So right now I believe that we are basically in that similar zone, and we are just waiting for a reversal towards the upside, and after that we are going to be in an altcoin season, and that is where the majority of the gains will be coming in the immediate short term. Right over here I have the chart loaded up for JASMY, and this is showing us something really interesting. Now, if you had followed my previous video, or say my yesterday's video, you already know that I told you guys that we are expecting a upwards movement for JASMY for the immediate short term, because guys, as you can see that right now we are in this third wave of this massive Elliott wave structure, and according to this we should be going towards the upside since we are in a third wave. I do believe that we saw the bottom for JASMY for this bear market at these levels at about 0.002. So right now we went up in a wave 1, came down in a wave 2, and right now we are preparing for a wave 3 takeoff. Now, you already know that within this third wave of this massive Elliott wave structure, we should be expecting 5 waves towards the upside. So right now, as you can see, we are making some 1-2 setups right over here. I believe that right now this move towards the upside is not over, and we are going to be seeing some continuation till like about at these levels. After that, we are going to see a bit of a fall and then pump up once again. This is the most likely scenario for JASMY for the immediate short term, and if you follow some other professional traders as well, you will know exactly what I'm trying to say. If we check out the RSI right over here, you can see that RSI is getting bigger, or say getting to higher and higher standards each and every single day. However, if we look at it from a broad perspective, you will be able to see that we are still practically in the middle, and we haven't really moved up at all. I mean, we saw some movement towards the upside, but nothing too major yet. Now, I am expecting at least a 30 to 40% move towards the upside, and at that moment I will be confidently able to say that the 1-2 setup for JASMY is over for the third wave. If we check out right over here, we are seeing some bearish signals as well. So I'm not going to be telling you all the positive signals, but also tell you guys what is happening in the market. So guys, as you can see, we saw this buying pressure coming in for JASMY. We saw some selling pressure coming in as well. And after that, we yesterday flipped bullish once again. And as you can see, we saw some green candles. However guys, you will be able to see that the buying pressure is getting lower and lower, and we are going to be seeing a reversal towards the downside really soon. This is the exact moment which I was waiting for, because right now is a perfect opportunity to get into JASMY if you haven't already yet. By the way guys, if you want to make some serious profits in cryptocurrencies and you like to trade cryptocurrencies in general, I would recommend you to join my trade signal group. The link to my trade signal group will be down in the description, and let me tell you what all things I am doing in my trade signal group for you guys. So guys, in my trade signal group, I am providing you with trade signals which I am personally using in order to make some pretty decent profits in the crypto markets. I'm going to be showing you the results just in a bit, so make sure you watch this entire video because I'm going to be explaining each and everything. In my trade signal group, I go over, when you guys should be entering into a trade, when you guys should be exiting, taking your profits, and if the trade was even successful as not. Because sometimes it happens that we see a huge correction and we have to close our trade. And that is why in my trade signal group, I am giving you daily alerts on what basically is happening with those trades, so that you guys don't just get wiped away and you end up making profits. This is my inside of the trade signal group, and as you can see, just today only we logged in of profits of about 189%. Now this is absolutely insane, and as you can see right over here as well, this was my target one and we achieved this target, which is really good. Yesterday, because we were flipping bearish for JASMY, as you can see, we logged in some early profits as well of about 82%. I mean, 82% is not bad at all. It is really good amount of profit, and something which I personally think as an early profit in my trade signal group. If you scroll up right over here, you can see how I'm going to be telling you to take the trade when the time comes right. As you can see, this was a long position trade. I mentioned the risk factor involved in this trade. After that, I gave you which token you have to be trading, your entry prices and your target prices on which you should be planning to take your profits at. If we scroll up, you can read all this by pausing the video, but if we scroll up right over here as well, you will be able to see that right over here as well, we logged in some early profits at about 68%, which is really good. If we scroll up, you will be able to see profits of about 135%. This is again really good. So I mean, we are making, let's say, one trade every 2 days, and today also I sent a trade signal. So to all my fellow Patreons who have joined already, I am sure you guys are taking your trades and enjoying some pretty decent profit. But those of you who have not yet joined my trade signal group, right now is a pretty great opportunity to join my trade signal group. Because guys, as you can see in my trade signal group, I also give you technical analysis on basically what is happening in the markets in general, and should you guys be taking long trades or short trades. I also give you the coins which are personally on my radar, my portfolio, and there is the chat option as well where you can directly interact with me, and I'm basically online here every single day and every single time. So you can find me here anytime you want. If you want me to answer some of your questions, I will be there for you, and I think this is a complete game changer for all of you who want to trade in general, because none other YouTuber out there is doing and putting in these much efforts. I truly believe the quality of my group is far better than some of the other trading signals out there, but I mean, I truly respect what they are doing, and I expect them to respect my group as well, because in my trade signal group we are focusing on delivering results, and that is my primary objective with my group. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this JASMY analysis video. I hope you guys got some good insights on how I am planning to take some action in the market, and I personally still believe that we are gonna be seeing an upside towards about 0.01. That is gonna be the most likely target and the most achievable target, because as you can see in the previous times, we saw some resistance playing out at these levels only. So I'm expecting some heavy movement towards the upside in the immediate short term, and we should be seeing JASMY play out these movements very soon. As always, I'll catch you tomorrow with another JASMY update video. In the meantime, make sure you guys join my trade signal group. It's only $30 per month, and it is something which I personally believe if you are not willing to spend, you shouldn't be watching this channel at all, because this channel is all about making money with crypto, and $30 as an investment in yourself is nothing compared to the gains which we are making in my trade signal group. I showed you all the results which we were seeing even in the past couple of days, or say in the past couple of weeks. So if you want to grab the opportunity, make sure you guys join it. The link to it will be down in the description, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.